Hi everyone, I'm Renee and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these Surprise Inside Cupcakes that are perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I'm using these gold cupcake liners for my cupcakes and I baked them up using my green velvet recipe. I'll link that below for you if you're interested. Just a note, I did use only about half the green food coloring in that as I did in that recipe, so these will be a little bit more vibrant. While my cupcakes are baking, I'll work on some decorations. I'm using these mini golden Oreos. Now they don't come perfectly shaped, so I did have to realign the pieces and clean up the sides. Then I used some Wilton Gold Color Mist Spray to give these golden Oreos a sheen. It's not super opaque and you do want to work in light coats, but it does make them look a little bit more golden, and my thought is that these will look like coins as one of the decoration options for these cupcakes. A super easy little coin St. Patrick's Day decoration. I also have an easy idea for some pots of gold. I have some Rolo candies that are unwrapped and some gold sanding sugar, and this is kind of a chunky gold. I got it at Walmart. And a little bit of chocolate buttercream. I'm just going to put a little bit of buttercream on the wide end of the Rolo and then dip that in the sanding sugar, and then it looks like a cute little pot of gold. Next, I'll prepare my piping bag for the rainbow swirl. I have it fitted with a 1M tip and I cuffed it about 2/3. Then using toothpicks, I'm going to stripe the bag with gel food coloring in 6 colors. I used red, orange, yellow, leaf green, royal blue, and eggplant for the purple. Now I've got my bag all striped and I want to get some white buttercream in there, so I have it loaded into another pastry bag. This is my American style buttercream. And then I'm going to pipe that down into my striped bag. In this way, I'm not going to smear the colors by loading it like I would with a spatula. Then squeeze some of the buttercream out just to get the colors started. The first few swoops are going to be very highly concentrated with the colors, and then you'll have more of the white coming through after. Now for my cupcakes, I'm using a sharp paring knife to cut a cone out of the top of the cupcake. Then using my knife, I'm going to clear out a little bit more of the cake to make a slightly deeper well. Then I'm going to trim about 2/3 off that top piece so it's nice and flat, and that way I can have room for my surprises. And I'll go ahead and fill the cupcake. I'm using mini M&Ms. And I'm also adding more of that gold sanding sugar, so it's a really fun festive surprise. Then the top goes on and we can add our buttercream swirl. Add the little pot of gold topper and this cupcake is done. I think it's really cute. This is a really simple and cute project. I think it'd be a lot of fun to do with the kids as a school activity, at home, or just to make for a class celebration. It's not difficult and the results are adorable. In this cupcake, I'll add 3 of my gold Oreo coins to make a cute little pile of gold on top of the cupcake. And that's it, 2 easy ways to decorate cupcakes for St. Patrick's Day. The kids would love doing this and it's super fun and festive. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos and click the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload.